Hi everyone, welcome to Alegor channel and I am Betül Yıldız. Today I wanna do something that I wanna do for a very long time. So this video for my section called Emerging Designers and Brands. So the very first brand I wanna introduce you is the one is very famous for their structure bags called Danse Lente. So I bought this bag from Net-a-Porter and I received the bag in a very weird condition. See, does it look a little bit weird? So let's check what is inside. I am opening now this weird box. I don't know how I waited to show you. Okay, so when I open the box, because this part is weird, it looks like this. Actually, it has this Net-a-Porter dust bag inside, and it has this. Like the return label, my invoice is in this envelope. Okay, let's come to the exciting part. So I purchased the bag from Net-a-Porter, as I mentioned earlier, and this is the second dust bag, which belongs to Danse Lente. I really like this dust bag, it's unique. See, there is these laces from the sides. I never seen a dust bag like this before. I think it's very different and unique. And I have this authentication card, I want to say, from this pocket, and I have the bag name, Mini Johnny, and thank you card, genuine product authentication card here. Okay, let's check the bag. Okay, this is how you my god, it looks so gorgeous in person, I have to tell. Oh, this part is open, but it has actually these sides covering the whole bag. Probably use this bag without this this part. So now I'm going to tuck this in. I wasn't expect to see right away a dust bag. I was thinking there is also a box from Danse Lente, which is fine, but the brand identity show you that luxurious feeling. This is why I think I expect an extra box. This is my gorgeous Danse Lente bag. Okay, I tuck in the long strap, and this is how you see. I am so excited about my bag. You probably see this bag a lot in last New York Fashion Week. I was actually very excited about the color with brown and the pink one, but I think that bag is sold out very early. So I want to tell you a little bit about the brand. Danse Lente means slow dance in French, and the brand is based in United Kingdom, and they are very focused on luxurious leather goods. So this was my first video for emerging designers and fashion brand section. I hope you enjoy my review for Danse Lente. Let's see next time which brand is going to be my guest. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to hear more about emerging designers and brands, please check my blog alligator.com, and I'm gonna share these videos I think every month. If I can be shared every week, that would be the goal, but let's start with every month. So see you next month with another gorgeous different brand. Thank you for watching me. Until next time, stay awesome. Bye.